party. I think I'm skipper right now. I'm scared of myself.
I wasn't around in the 70s. 1989 or so, I don't know.
It's 2008 almost, and we are at the Groovin' 70s Levon and Lisa's party. Wow, I feel my fingers. Whoa, wow.
Oh, wait, this. What's going on? Peace, brother, peace.
Yeah, brother. How's it going?
It's just a good time. I don't remember a whole lot about it.
I remember having a baby in 72 and a baby in 76 and a baby in 78. What do you remember about the 70s?
I remember like 6th grade wearing like
I did. I wore them to school. Yeah. You roast the meat, and we have Wonder Bread buns. I was born in 72.
Not much. Dukes of Hazzard.
Weenie roast. Excuse me while I light the sterno. I have to get it ready first. When it lights up, it's a weenie roast. Brilliant. It is beautiful. It was a Betty Crocker cookbook. Look at it. It's magnificent. We grew up on it. Yeah, we did. Hey, Miss Staples. And Steakum. I love the 70s. That would be so fast.
Turn me inside out and round and round. Instinctively,
Well, we're having a great time here at the 70s disco party over at Levon. Now, there's a special appearance by some really great people that are about to happen any second now. And we're all real excited. Oh, I think they're coming.
born in 1970, baby. I embody the 70s.
What do you remember about the 70s?
Not much. I met my wife to be Andrea in graduate school. This is what I was wearing when I met her.
I remember gaucho boots and fire engine red bell bottoms in kindergarten.
Howard's department store was present in the 70s.
I don't remember anything about the 70s. Scooby-Doo I like. Yeah.
He just wants you to feel his junk, so he feels
Not a lot, man. Not much fun. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. Fun all the time.
Really well. Smashing party.